dark of the world, you asked me to come near you. If I didn't come, you said you would disappear. I wish it were like when we first met. There wasn't a single time you let me long for someone else, or was it wrong? Why today you no longer love me anymore? Why is that today your love has changed and gone so far away? Where is the person you once were, leaving me to long for someone else instead? Will there ever be a day we return to how it was before? Smiling again like in the past. Or will you distance yourself like this? I too wish you would remember those earlier days. Why is that today your love has changed and gone so far away? Where is the person you once were, leaving me to long for someone else instead? Will there ever be a day we return to how it was before? Smiling again like in the past. Or will you always keep turning away like this? I too wish you would remember those earlier